How to change your password on Yahoo. Hey everybody, if you are also wanting to change your Yahoo Mail password, you may follow up these steps. So what you may do is head over to any of the browser available, and you can directly head over and type in yahoo.com and hit enter. And when you do, you will be taken to yahoo.com website here. And you may just go ahead and log in using your credentials once you are here. Now once you are logged in the top right corner, you should be finding your profile right here. Click on it, and there you'll be finding an option called manage your account. Head over to that option right here, and it will lead you to the settings of Yahoo. So here we can see two-step verification. You may scroll down from the given options, and we have this section looking for something else. Look for an option called change password and tap on it. Open it up. Now here you need to type in your new password. You do not need to enter up your old password here. You may just go ahead and type in the new password that you would like to enter it up. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and continue the process, complete the verification process, and once that is done, your password for Yahoo Mail will be changed, and that way you can basically log in into Yahoo again using the new account. So that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to change your password on Yahoo as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.